Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Rio Mino Bridge, and this is the widest bridge in Jamaica according to the National Works Agency, who is in charge of all the main roads and bridges in Jamaica. So on the left here now is the entrance to Highway 2000. So you might ask, what does this bridge have to do with Highway 2000? Well, this is the Maypen roundabout, and this is where Highway 2000 currently ends. And straight ahead is the Rio Mino Bridge, and this is a new section of the highway that's being built. So Highway 2000 is going to go from Kingston to Montego Bay to connect both international airports. But it's been built in phases. So the Kingston to Maypen phase is finished, and it ends at the roundabout we just came off of. And then it's going to connect to the Maypen to Mandeville section of the highway. Will connect right here. So that's the bridge straight ahead, and that bridge is going to connect the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway to the Kingston to Maypen leg. So that's the bridge straight ahead. We actually have videos up of driving over the bridge, so you can check it out, but currently they have blocked it off, so only the work vehicles or specific vehicles can drive on it. And that's because the highway is finished. This section of the highway is finished from Kingston to Clarendon Park. And they don't want persons driving on the road because the toll plazas are not finished yet. So they have put up these guardrails or these barricades that can go up and down, and so they control who can use the highway. And all the service roads that they use to construct the highway to get on and off of it, they have all been blocked off, so they can control who uses the highway. So this is actually the widest bridge in Jamaica, the Rio Mino Bridge. And it's a part of Highway 2000, and it will connect the Maypen leg of the highway to the Mandeville leg of the highway. Now, some persons have indicated that they think the Harbourview Bridge is wider and the Causeway Bridge. The Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. Some persons have said they think that bridge is wider, but the National Works Agency, the NWA, says that this bridge is wider. And so we will see. That's the bridge there. Oh, and straight ahead, that's the Maypen Bridge. That bridge is a part of the Maypen bypass, and it's actually 2 lanes. The Rio Mino Bridge is going to be 4 lanes. So guys, what do you think? We have videos up on the Causeway Bridge. If you look at the videos under the name Portmore Expressway, you'll see the bridge. And we have Harbourview videos up, so you can see the Harbourview Bridge. You guys can check it out and let us know what you think. Alright, so we also have videos up of the finished section of this highway. Before they blocked it off, we have videos up of driving on that section, so you can check it out. And we're also going to start flying to get drone footage. We got a drone, so it's just for us to fly it and make videos of these bridges and everything, so you can get an aerial view of these roads. So those videos you should start seeing them on the website early next week. Alright, so this is the Maypen bypass that we're on now. This is the main road, and this is the Maypen Bridge, 2 lanes. So you can see the progress with that massive structure over there. You have to admire the progress that's going on in Jamaica, especially with the building of these roads. The government is really doing a good job with the building of these highways. unfortunately, these roads, like the one we're on now, I wouldn't, let's just say they could do with some improvement. Alright, so on the right is the entrance to Maypen. If you're going into the town of Maypen, and this is the Maypen bypass, so if you don't need to go into the town, because the town is congested with a lot of traffic, it's the main town in Clarendon, and very busy, a lot of activity. So if you don't need to go into Maypen, this is the bypass, is the road you would use.